I've always wanted to know what it felt like to have a beard, and unfortunately, well, fortunately, I can't grow one, so I just decided to get one. So I actually got this 4-pack of beards because we're gonna have some friends over and we're gonna do just like some funny karaoke and dressing up, and it's really hard to actually talk with this because the little hairs are getting in your mouth, but I think these are really fun, really great for any kind of costume. You just have this like little elastic back here, and then you would just kind of put that over your head. One thing I did notice is that, you know, this one was too big, so if you just put like a little knot in it, then honestly it will fit any size head, which I think is fun. You do have the different colors and different styles. Ooh, this one here looks kind of fun. Let's see. So what is, yeah, your mouth goes through the hole, right? See, I don't even know. How does a beard work like this? So my husband's filming right now and he's laughing. So clearly I must look fantastic. So yeah, if you're just looking for some beards, for some dress up, just for having some fun, this 4-pack is really fun.